Hey guys, once again I'm out here in the backyard. Actually, my mower broke down, so I decided to start using these two rabbits as maintenance for the lawn. I have them out in this cage right now, and it looks like they're going right to work. I actually just moved them. I'm going to show you now where they were before. This is from yesterday. As you can see, this is what I'm going to use this winter to keep my grass down. And then they were out here 2 days ago. So there's the strip, as you can see. I'll try to give you guys an update here in the next couple of days and see how far they can get. Of course, I need to water, and we'll get this grass going again. But they're doing a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. They're about a year and a half, maybe. The black one's about a year and a half. The other one's about a year. But this is our breeding pair. I got them together now because it's time to get a new set of rabbits that we can hopefully fatten them up. And if anybody's interested, they'll make great pets. If not, they'll make a great dinner. Anyway, questions, comments, list them down below. And as always, any criticisms, keep them to yourself.